Hi, I'm Justin from ASPnix.com.
Welcome back. Today we're going to learn a simple and fast way to build a website with little or no experience. If you just started out with one of ASPnix's free or very cheap Linux hosting accounts, go ahead and open up your browser and go to the ASPnix client area. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and do that and come back, and we'll start the lesson. Alright, let's move forward for everybody else. In the client area, you want to go to the My Services tab and click on it. Once you're inside the My Services area, you're going to need to select your hosting product. We're going to pick this one on the bottom. I have a couple of these. You're probably only going to have one, but for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use this one. Go ahead and click Manage, and on the next page, you'll be in the client area. Inside the client area, you have access to cPanel. Click Login to cPanel to begin. This is cPanel. Inside cPanel, you can access files on your page, install software like WordPress, and all kinds of neat stuff. SitePad is full of themes to start with, and is really fast and simple. To get started using it, just scroll a little further down in the page, and you will see it in the software section. See, it's right here in the left corner. Click it now. Here we are at the dashboard. Let's start with a new theme. Go to the Themes tab. Here you can find a whole list of great new themes to choose from. Select a theme that's right for you and click Activate. It will only take a few seconds to install it, and then you can start customizing it and really making it your own. I've already done that. I picked BigHost. Pick one that's right for you and go ahead and install now. Afterwards, we're going to start editing your new page. So we're going to click on Pages. We're going to click on ASPnix's Welcome Portal. This is my front page. Your front page is going to have a different title. As you can see here, it loads pretty quick. Not going to make you be too patient. So this is the page that I already made for this demonstration. So we're going to scroll through it real quick. You can see everything you hover your mouse over, you can select and click on. Anything you click on, you're going to have settings box that's going to pop up. You're going to be able to change things about what you clicked on, whether it be a button or a graphic or some text. You can also click and drag to move things around. Everything is very quick, very reactive. Everything is very simple to use. There's not a lot of complications. You can double click on text to change it. It's all very, very simple. As you can see here, this is not text. This is actually an icon with text under it. So if we look in the settings box, we can change the title. Or we can change the content. And all sorts of other things, like maybe we want to change the color, or let's see here, change the icon to something new. Let's try a heart. Anyway, as you can see, it's really easy to change. You can grab a title here and add it in. Now, if we hit preview, you'll see that the new page will load, and we can take a look at it. This is what it looks like since we've changed it. See here? Hello world. I'm just going to close that tab real quick. All these things on the left-hand side, you can just drag and drop, adding them to wherever you might want. Look how simple that is. When we hit preview, ta-da! Those are already there. When we are done, we can go ahead and hit publish. And that finalizes our changes and makes them available for the whole world to see. There we go. Now we can visit our brand new website right here. Look at that.
If you haven't heard of us before, please feel free to take a minute to check us out. There is a link in the description. Those too lazy to click can just type in ASPnix.com.